Light, camera, action, flick.
Welcome to Epic TV Comedy.
No, it's not for fine it. It's not for go down. I want place named New Kingston with him cardboard.
What's up YouTube? I don't know say boy Epic TV Comedy is it, and I know I never post no video for a long while because through me thing when I use a video it did mash up my device, and now I get back a new one, so my day I forgive you know be an epic banger video is it. So today we are gonna prank Omar because she buy one new flat screen TV. Sorry, flat screen TV. Yesterday is it, and I go prank her with the old one we broke up and tell her I say broke is it guys, must have hope for an epic reaction. I don't know she will kill me guys, so stay tuned and give the video a thumbs up and also subscribe. Epic TV out.
There is a Sasha, you know the artist Lali. I I'm ready for the session.
Who's in the come?
We're ready for the session.
She not tell nobody.
She said, keep on this to she said, what? She said, carry on.
Carry on.
Carry on.
Shut up.
Hey!
TV falls.
Where the foot there? The foot them
What's
go?
your foot?
Where the foot them there? My mouth, kick it. Quality. You say I do the TV? Who take off the foot then? So that, who take? Them I have to call her grandmother and she bring up. I'm dead as serious. I am father. Call me. Cause the TV did our till up to this morning.
Oh, this really good job.
That's it. Right. I'm sure. That's some. Accident. Oh, the TV mash up. Well, I must go while when it dropped. But my hands got you to make it the grandmother TV drop to go fit. Yeah, like this. That's sleep. Where the foot for the TV then? Where the foot for the TV then?
In evil.
Oh, you know what I would say? I'm proud of it. I'm proud of it. I want TV.
She was getting angry.
Yo. Look how movie I can make that idea. Ah, what the? Movie, what was your reaction?
Let me fucking tell you something. You'd have to buy back that shit. Oh, ask me what was my reaction.
Movie, so you really feel like the TV must have free? Movie, but better plan this time yesterday.
You better plan it good.
But better plan it from yesterday.
And take me off of that form.
No, movie, you're going on YouTube. You're going on
With
YouTube.
my face not even wash.
Movie, you're going on YouTube. Guys. Wait.
No, you can't put on YouTube, so.
Movie, so you go on YouTube. No, movie, you go on YouTube. Said we, movie.
You can't.
Said we, movie, Steve Apartheid. Steve Apartheid.
You can't put on YouTube, so.
Movie, for you today, we are playing this. From yesterday.
You can't put on YouTube, so.
Movie, I say you go on YouTube.
It's dirty, I'm just
No, look how you're beautiful, movie.
Let me tell you something.
Movie, where do you go do after?
No, you have to find it. You have to go down at one place named Milkins within cardboard. Time to have to buy back my TV.
Movie, I make sure edit this. I make you want to buy the TV where it's a mash up.
No, you can't.
Movie nearly mash up my
No,
head.
you can't put on TV.
I
So.
told Billy tell myself stop it. Mommy, I laugh at myself. I said, Judge, I'll come home with
I
it. Say
can't put
TV, mash up.